How to make money with your smartphone in Africa. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways you can earn money with your smartphone. Even though you're a teenager or an adult, you can make use of your smartphone to earn money with just your smartphone. In today's world, your smartphone is not just for chatting or watching videos. It can actually become your money-making machine. There are two ways you can make money with your phone. One, affiliate marketing. This means selling other people's product and earning commission. Affiliate marketing, the simple definition of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is recommending or selling of people's data product to earn money. In affiliate marketing, you don't need to create a product, you don't need to import a product, you don't need to take record of your product, you don't even need to deliver a product. Your own is just to talk about the product. When someone buys this product through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. That is what we call affiliate marketing. You are thus the mouthpiece of the manufacturer or the product creator. You are the middleman between the manufacturer and the buyer. Your own is just to talk about the product, and when someone buys this product through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The second way you can earn money is creating your own product. You can turn your offline skills, knowledge, experience into something valuable and sell it online. But in this video, I'll be focusing on affiliate marketing and how you can make money from it. There are different ways you can earn money through affiliate marketing. One, direct commission. Direct commission means when you promote a product, when someone buys this product to you, you earn commission. You earn a percent, sometimes 50 to 75% when someone buys through your unique link. Every product has its unique link. So whenever you promote a product, maybe you promote a graphic design product, affiliate marketing plus importation, web design course, landing page course, WhatsApp marketing course. When someone buy this course through your unique link, you earn a commission. The second way you can earn money through affiliate marketing is through sales challenge. Some platform reward you with cash, gift bonuses when you hit certain sales targets. So on Bapos, there's a sales challenge that is starting on 20, I think, okay, 20 is tomorrow. That starting on Monday, from Monday to October. Can you see? CMS sales challenge, earn 10% commission on every sales made by the student. The student have access to to promote not just data products but real estate properties, also any commission. So I'm going to talk about Vapors and different products you can promote on Vapors. Can you see the C challenge? So he said if you are able to get 26, you are going to get 70,000 apart from your normal commission. Apart from this direct commission, if you are able to reach a target of 26, you are going to get extra 17,000. And this course worth like 15,000. If you promote this course, it's worth 15,000 and the commission is 8,250. Let me say assume now you were able to generate like 26, that is 8,250 times 26 is like 160 plus with this 17,000. You can see that you are going to earn a lot of money through affiliate marketing. And the truth, if you are able to get 1,356, you are going to get a Camry 010 plus 500k. If you are able to get 1,806, you are going to get a Lexus plus 200k. So this is a straight challenge for cash flow mystery system course and importation sales challenge. This course, you can promote this course to earn a lot of money. Can you see? If you are able to join 25 sales apart from the normal commission, you are going to get 50,000 extra. If you are able to generate 50 sales, you are going to earn 100,000. If you are able to get 100 sales, you are going to get a lot of. If you want to get details about all this sales challenge, or you are good you are good in marketing, you can promote people products, you can send a message to my WhatsApp and I'm going to send you details about every sales challenge that is going on this affiliate platform. This is another sales challenge. This one will start like since January and it's going to end July, 31st of July. If you are able to do it like 26, you're going to get 50,000. Okay, if you are able to do it like 2,456, you are going to get a Toyota Camry 2020. So the milestone, the third aspect, the third way you can earn money through after market is milestone. The more you sell, the more reward and recognition you get. So if you reach if you reach a target of withdraw on like NSP, you are going to get a certificate and an extra income. And the milestone start from 50,000. 50,000. If you are able to generate 50,000 on Vapors, or if you are able to get 50,000 on NSP, if you are able to generate 100,000 on Vapors, you receive a certificate and a token of appreciation for promoting a product on that platform. So benefit of affiliate marketing, it is for everyone. Even though you are a teenager and you want to earn money with your smartphone, it's a chance for you. You can start affiliate marketing. You want to learn money, you want to earn money online, you can start affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing does not have age limit. It does not have age limit. As far you can read and write, you can register and start affiliate marketing. No age limit. As long as you can read and write, you only need a smartphone and internet connection. No need to create your own product. You can start with a little or no experience. You can work from anywhere. Finally, if you are serious about making money online, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start. All you need the right knowledge, consistency, and your smartphone. And if you want to get started, you want to start affiliate marketing business, you need to have a good smartphone, internet connection. You need to be able to read and write, and also you need information. That is the reason why you need to register on an affiliate platform. And in this affiliate platform, you'll be able to get access to courses that will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, teach you data skills that make you can make use in your affiliate marketing journey, such as content writing, copywriting, how to create a landing page and sales for me, WhatsApp marketing, how to create a Facebook advertisement, and a lot of things you are going to learn in this course. Can you see? This person was able to get 1,000 cities, 1,000 cities made in a week, which is someone multi-sided. I did this by promoting their products on Growster with just my smartphone and using the smartphone. So I promote data product on 3 platforms: one, Vapors, Growster, and NSP. But in this video, I'm going to show you the dashboard of Vapors. So you can see this person: sales challenge ended, price 400k received from my company Vapors. Thank you so much, you guys. You made best ever. And also, I want to appreciate my coach. Can you see? A lot of times this person was able to get 240. Even though I did not reach my target, I'm grateful to win just and 240,000 for crossing 76 in just complete 6 challenge. Can you see? Can you see? That's why all the challenge my little win come. So can you see? Can you see? So can you see? This is my dashboard. This place. Can you see? Go shopping. I was able to generate 65,000 just selling a data product. 5 6 generate 65,940. So it's a lot of money you can do, even though if you are able to learn everything about affiliate market and you are able to implement it, you can generate a lot of money. That's why affiliate market is the easiest and lazy way to earn money, because when you will learn everything about this business, you'll be able to generate a lot of money through affiliate marketing. Best affiliate platform to register: Vapors. You promote on Vapors, you can promote data products or property, real estate, and registration is just $15, and in Nigeria is 15,000. And also you get access to the cash flow ministry system called CMS. And also you can register on NSP to promote data products. On NSP you only have access to promote data products, and the registration is just $10. And also you have access to the affiliate marketing for beginner course, A and B. So if you want to get started, I'm going to drop the link of these 2 platforms on the description below. You can click on the link to register. And also if you want me to talk more about the sales challenge, send a message to my WhatsApp. I'm going to explain in details about the sales channel. Even I'm going to do a video about the sales channel. I'm also going to post on my page. So if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Ogusha Content. In this video, I talk about how you can make use of a smartphone to earn money through affiliate marketing. And also I share tutorials on different things. So right now I'm going to show you my dashboard. I'm going to show you my dashboard on Vapor so that you can see what you can promote on. I don't want this video. I'm going to slide to my Chrome browse and then sign on my Vapor. So it's my Chrome browse. Okay. 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 So this is my dashboard. Let me just change it to Naira. This is my dashboard. Okay. So can you see 7 sales generate 57,750. So you can see that I've generated a lot of money through affiliate marketing. And what I love this affiliate marketing, that you get back your registration fee in 100 fold. So this, you can see total sales I was able to generate 7,750, and I withdraw my money. I withdraw my 57 direct to my local bank account. So I'm going to tap on these three lines. You can see product, real estate, and this product is for data product. If you want to promote data product, a lot of data product. Can you see there's a lot of data product? So if you register, you can just go through it. You can, and also you can check my videos. You can check my videos on my YouTube channel. i've talked about I've talked about vapors, everything you needed to know. So you can tap on this. You can see the real estate. If you want to go into real estate, this is the marketplace. You can see a lot of money you can earn. Okay, 7 bedroom. You can see, so 7 bedroom, and the bedroom is price is 2.5 billion and your commission is 50 million. And you can see different, this one is 100 million and your commission is 2 million. You can promote any property here and earn a lot of money. So if you want to get started, if you're interested in starting affiliate marketing in this year 2026, click the link in the description below to register. And also you can send message to my WhatsApp. Please, I want serious minded person. If you know you are not serious and you are not ready to learn, don't send me a message. Don't send me. I want to work with like 50 people that are serious to earn money with their smart. If you are not serious and you are a lazy person that you don't want to take action, please don't send message to me, and also don't register. So if you want to get started, if you want to make use of a smartphone to generate a lot of money, click on the link in the description below to register, or maybe Vapors on SP. I'm going to drop the link of the both affiliate platform. And also if you have any question, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp. I'm going to respond to you. I hope you have learned one or two things. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure, the most especially, make sure you subscribe, because I'll be posting different things on how you can make money with your smartphone. So that also make sure you on the notification button, so that whenever I post my video, you are going to get notice of it. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.